Do you need to shell out the money for Botox, Dysport, botulinum toxin injections? Can you really have Botox in a bottle? Hi, I'm Brandon, an anti-aging enthusiast just like you, bringing to you anti-aging research, tips, and vlogs every single week. If anti-aging topics are of interest to you, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to share this space with you. Also, please consider liking this video. It really helps out my channel a lot and I greatly appreciate it. We're all aware of Botox or Dysport or the other brands of botulinum toxin out there. I'm going to be referring to it as Botox in this video because that's what most of us are aware of. Perhaps you have friends, family that have done it. Perhaps you've done it yourself. There's really nothing wrong with Botox in my opinion. I've never done it and I don't have any plans to do it anytime soon. Rather sticking to just skincare techniques and avoidance of sun and dietary interventions to support my skin and support the collagen and elastin in my skin naturally. Botulinum toxin or Botox is injected into the skin, is injected into the muscles, freezes the muscles, and prevents dynamic wrinkles. Dynamic wrinkles are the wrinkles that appear in your skin upon movement. When you scrunch your face or you smile or you laugh, these lines, these wrinkles are prevented to a significant extent with Botox. And there is a theory that getting Botox or Dysport or botulinum toxin may help to prevent static wrinkles over time. Static wrinkles are the wrinkles at rest. These are formed through not only just dynamic movement of your face, but also predominantly from UV ultraviolet radiation that degrades collagen and elastin in the skin. Botox in a bottle is often attributable to something called Argireline, which I'll get into later. I refer to it as Argireline. It maybe is pronounced something different. While Argireline or Argireline is a popular Botox in a bottle, for many people in the skincare community, I actually personally think there are other ingredients, other extracted ingredients and name brand ingredients that are found in serums that can provide a sort of Botox-like or at least an anti-aging effect. Let's go ahead and get into the 3 Botox in a bottle type products that I have personally used and continue to use on a regular continual basis in my skincare routine. Number 1 is by no means a surprise to many, and it is the Ordinary Argireline 10%. I have used this in the past and I didn't necessarily notice any significant changes in how my face moved. This contains acetohexapeptide 3 or Argireline, which is the brand name. This has been reported to inhibit neurotransmitters, which supposedly or allegedly combat those dynamic wrinkles similar to Botox. It also provides moisturizing effects and may help to improve skin firmness and tone. Placebo-controlled research suggests that Argireline may help to combat wrinkles compared with placebo. However, these studies are fairly small in number and have a very limited duration of follow-up. And honestly, topical application of Argireline and really any product is probably not going to have the same effects as intramuscularly injected Botox. That being said, I don't think that there's anything wrong with Argireline. I think that some people find or perceive some sort of benefit when they use it in conjunction with sunscreen and moisturizer. Compared with Argireline, pentapeptide 15 is a 5 amino acid peptide that supposedly has similar effects to Botox as Argireline. This can be found in the Ordinary Buffet and the Ordinary Buffet plus copper peptide. I actually prefer and would recommend the copper peptides buffet by the Ordinary because not only are you getting that other peptide that I mentioned, you're also getting copper peptides, which have been shown in many studies to support skin collagen production. The second Botox in a bottle type serum is the timeless Coenzyme Q10 serum. Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10 is a fat-soluble vitamin-like substance that's produced in the body and stored in the fat tissues. CoQ10 is predominantly found in the epidermis in the skin, and it is the initial antioxidant barrier to oxidation. Oxidation being an integral driver to the skin aging process. CoQ10 may also protect the skin against UV and pollution when applied topically, as well as the endogenous production in the skin. UV and pollution both contribute to skin aging, so topical application of CoQ10 may help to improve just that overall antioxidant, anti-aging protection for the skin. Research shows that topical application of Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10 from serums like the Timeless increases Coenzyme Q10 concentration in the skin surface, as well as in deeper layers of the skin. Now, the Botox-like ingredient is matrixyl. This also contains matrixyl, which is a brand name for a peptide. In fact, it's a highly specific biologically active peptide that I love. I incorporate it into my anti-aging skincare routine every single day, sometimes twice a day, in the morning and at night. Matrixyl has been reported to stimulate skin protein proteins that are integral for youthfulness of the skin. Another placebo-controlled study found that Matrixyl led to improvements in fine lines and wrinkles. Additional research shows that topical application of Matrixyl may be associated with improvements in skin roughness, wrinkle volume, and wrinkle depth. Other data show that Matrixyl may be associated with an increase in elastin fiber density and thickness. Furthermore, Matrixyl may improve the regulation of beneficial skin proteins like collagen and elastin. This serum, the Timeless Serum, also contains other really fantastic hydrating and antioxidant ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera being the hydration ingredients. It also contains vitamin E. Vitamin E is also a fantastic antioxidant when topically applied, may protect or just boost the overall protection against UV, against pollution in the environment, maybe even visible light. I use 3 drops of this in the morning and also sometimes 3 drops of it at night. But in the morning, I use it overall just for protection against the sun in addition to my sunscreen. I tend to apply it to damp skin if I've washed my face. If I haven't, I just apply it to dry skin. And then on top of that, I put either a moisturizer over it if it's at night, or if it's in the morning, I'll apply just a sunscreen over it. And the third Botox in a bottle like serum is the Depology Peptide Complex 10% Serum. This also contains Argireline, which is the registered trademark name. This is like the Botox-like ingredient. One placebo-controlled study compared twice daily creams containing Argireline 10% versus placebo. And they found that Argireline treated skin had a 30% improvement in wrinkles around the eyes. In fact, efficacy was nearly 50% in the Argireline group versus 0% in the placebo group. Also, all parameters of roughness in the skin were significantly improved in the study. The Depology Peptide Complex Serum 10% also contains other hydrating ingredients like glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, ceramide NP, which is a natural moisturizing factor that the skin naturally produces. It also contains Centella asiatica extract, which is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and it also contains various other botanical extracts which may help to provide anti-inflammatory antioxidant protection for the skin. For this one, I will use this one either in the morning or the evening. I'll rotate it with a Timeless Coenzyme Q10 serum. I just use, again, 3 drops on the skin, on damp skin after I've washed my face, and then I'll apply a moisturizer over on top just to seal it in and prevent that evaporation. And those are the 3 Botox in a bottle like serums that I personally use and would recommend to anyone. I use these on a regular but rotating basis, and I like the way they just moisturize my skin. If anything, serums are just great for moisturizing the skin, increasing the plumpness and the hydration of the skin, which smooths out the skin. But I do believe that some of the ingredients like the Matrixyl, the peptides in there may help to improve skin collagen production. Let me know down below if there was a serum that I missed in this video. I would love to know what you use on a daily basis and what you've had success with. If you like this video, again, please hit that like button down below. It really helps out my channel a lot and I'd greatly appreciate it. If you want to see more anti-aging videos, skincare videos, nutrition videos like these, hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love to share this space with you. And until next time, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good one. Bye.